大家好，我是欧比王，上课喽。
安静，有人来了。
是谁？
是我，是你。
不是老师，他来了。哇，完蛋！
你、我、他。You, I, and he. These are the most common personal pronouns in Mandarin. Today, we're going to learn all the common personal pronouns in Mandarin. Let's start with I and you. If you've ever played video games, you'll find the two characters Chinese people use for I and you very easy to understand. On the map, the place marked with the army banner represents I, our side. The glyph on the left is the flag, on the right is the weapon. That means my side, I.
我
And the location the arrow points to represents you, your side.
你我
It means I or me. This part evolved from the image of a fluttering flag, and this part of the character represents a weapon.
你
Both of these characters mean you. This,
你
with the person radical, can generally refer to either a man or a woman, while this,
你
when it is with woman radical, it means you, but only for female.
我
This character has 7 strokes.
我你
This character has 7 strokes.
你 你
This character has 8 strokes. It means you, only for female.
你 他
Now, let's start learning all the third-person pronouns in Chinese. The character
他
it means it. Originally looked like the raised triangular head of a snake. At first, it actually represented a snake itself. In ancient times, people often encountered snakes in the wild natural environment. Whenever someone returned from a journey, others would ask with concern, "Did you run into any snakes?"
无他乎
哎呦，碰到它了，老大了哦。
Yes, it's you.
But interestingly, people gradually avoided directly saying the word for snake. It was somewhat like the fear of saying Voldemort. So over time, people take this character as it instead of snake.
他
Means it. Later, people added the person radical to it to create a new character meaning he. After undergoing structural changes throughout various dynasties, its final form evolved into
他
means he. Later, people replaced the person radical with the woman radical to create a new character meaning she.
他
Next, people replaced the woman radical with the spirit radical to create a new character, which means he or she when referring to a deity, a god.
他
Next, people replaced the spirit radical with the ox radical to create a new character, which means it when referring to animals.
他他
It means it, object. This character has 5 strokes.
他
It means he. This character has 5 strokes.
她
It means she. This character has 6 strokes.
他
He or she, referring to God. This character has 7 strokes.
它
It means it, animal. This character has 7 strokes. At this point, we have learned all the third-person pronouns in Chinese. They all read as
他
Finally, we are going to learn how to say the first, second, and third-person plural pronouns we, you, and they in Chinese. In Chinese, plural personal pronouns are simply formed by adding a single character to the singular pronouns. That is,
们我们
means we,
们
a plural marker. This word is consisted of 10 strokes. For this character, the left side is the person radical, and the door on the right is the phonetic component. When you see a small dot above the phonetic symbol, it indicates a neutral tone. The neutral tone is pronounced by starting like the first tone, but softer, followed by a short pause.
们
们
The neutral tone will be.
们
Now let's combine them.
我们
Means we,
你们
means you,
你们
means you, for female only.
他们
Means they,
他们
means they, for female only.
他们
Means they, when referring to gods.
他们
Means they, when referring to animals.
他们
Means they, when referring to objects. Honorific. Finally, let's learn a character that might seem rare,
您
but is actually used very often by native speakers. This character literally places you over a heart glyph, which represents keeping someone in your heart to show respect and attentiveness.
您
Is the polite or respectful form of you in Mandarin Chinese. It is used when speaking to elders, teachers, customers, supervisors, strangers, anyone you wish to show respect to. If you've ever studied German, du corresponds to
你
and Sie is equivalent to
您 您
This character consists of 11 strokes. How to read this character?
一 n
音
呢
音
捏
Let's combine it with the rhythm of 4 tones.
捏捏捏捏捏
This character is the second tone, so it should be
您 您好
Good day, sir.
您好，您预约的包厢在这边，这边请。
Let's do more practice.
你唱歌，他跳舞， 我们一起拍拍手。
你唱歌，他跳舞，我们一起拍拍手。你唱歌，他跳舞，我们一起拍拍手。
That's it for today. Remember to download and print the PDF file for writing practice, or download the JPG file to practice on your mobile phone. Ciao.